G'day, I'm John Ford for Caravan World, and I'm here to talk about this new Englaon smart TV. It's a big deal because it's the world's first 12-volt powered 4K television. It's the first of the 12-volt 4K series, the X90 Pro series, and this is the 32-inch version. It also comes in a 27-inch version, and it's running Google TV 5.0 and Android 14, so it's the latest technology. It's made for caravans, RVs, boats, or off-grid situations because it runs on 12 volts, has an average use of about 50 watts, and its picture quality, I'll show you in a little bit, its picture quality is just amazing. It's light and it's a slimline design, so it easily fits in the caravan. It's got a wall mount or a base you can sit it on wherever you want to move it around. We carry it when we're travelling on the bed. It's easily stored away there and safe. And I'm just amazed at the picture quality. It's easily set up through the internet, through your Starlink or through your phone, whichever way you want to go. So you can get all the streaming channels, or you can set it up on your TV aerial and chase your local TV channels if you want to go that way. It's designed for caravans, RVs, boats, or anywhere off grid where you need a 12-volt power supply. It's running off 12 volt at the moment. Along with the new 4K TV, Englaon's also introduced this soundbar, an immersive Dolby Atmos soundbar with twin speakers, 40 watts of power, and a really amazing sound. Don't put your name on me. Sounds really rich, really nice bass, clear treble, great match for the 4K television because the sound is rich, the bass is really good, the treble's great. It's true sound from the sort of music or movie action that you like to see. Plenty of volume, there's no distortion, and the sound quality is just really nice. It's been optimised for the Englaon TV and it has the remote obviously. Comes complete with a bracket that you can attach to the TV and all the leads that you need. At the moment we're running it through a HDMI cable which was supplied through the EARC system. So just to wrap up, I know it's difficult watching on your computer or your phone to get an impression of how good that picture quality is, but trust me, it's vibrant and it's sharp. Matched with the soundbar, it makes watching movies and sport and music videos a much more pleasant experience. And the reality is that Englaon have really stepped up with this package. I'm John Ford. Thanks for watching.